Hello everyone, my name is Thor and welcome back to Anthropology. Thank you for joining me in today's video. We have another exciting one with our friends at Pascal, one of their new watches, the Paradoxe watch. It's really fun, very artsy. This is a sponsored video, so thanks to our friends at Pascal, you can use the code TOR15 for 15% off your orders through the link below. Comes in this box here. This says Pascal. When you order from them, you will get the box, and then you'll also get just a little thank you note and way to join their community as well as their commitment. You get a 2-year warranty, 60-day return, and certified lab-grown diamonds. So I've been collaborating with Pascal, I would say for like a year now, and they've really sort of upped their game. Like, look how beautiful this is, all the way down to the tissue paper and even the sticker, which who doesn't love that? In it, you get this beautiful watch. It's very reminiscent of like Rolex in terms of coloring and also their icon here. So it's just 4 P's in a little script. Okay, you guys ready? Are you ready? Oh my gosh. I love it. Okay, so this is their Paradoxe watch. Has all the plastic on it still now. So there are 7 different colorways. I picked the green one with the green face. It has 0.28 carats of diamonds. They are D to F colorway, VVS to VS in terms of clarity. And then what makes this one interesting, let me just take it off its little bed. It has a 0.02 carat green diamond on the side inverted to show that time is but a construct, time flows backwards. It has their signature P logo there, as well as a folding clasp like so. Make it more adjustable. Just go like that and put it on. And there you go. This is a really beautiful watch, actually. It's very interesting, very funky. I do need to set the time, but I do quite love it. It's one of their newest releases, so it comes with interchangeable straps if you would like to change them. Obviously, it still just needs to like settle into my wrist here. Fit size 14 centimeters to 21 centimeters. I have a smaller wrist anyway, but this is what it looks like on. It's very fun, really cool color, really cool shape. I think in a world of circular watches, it's good to have something a little bit different, something a little bit more fun. This could easily be dressed up, dressed down. It has a sapphire crystal face, which is scratch resistant, which we love. And then you can adjust it here. So it has an extra little tab here. You can either just pull or release in order to make it tighter, make it longer. In terms of the metal, it is stainless steel, but then it has gold-vermeil over top. It has a Swiss Ronda 751 quartz movement, and it is inspired by automatism, a type of surrealism like Dali. So what I really like, though, is that on here, you can see the stone. It's a green inverted diamond. So you can see like the pointy side is there. Green diamonds are some of the rarest natural diamonds, but they've managed to create one in a lab. Face again. I wanted green. Green is the color of luck. Green is the color of the heart. Very beautiful. Okay, so to tighten it, you just pull it like so. Put it through here. Pull to your desired tightness, and then just clasp it like so in between. Much better. Really beautiful piece. I love the green croc. Also comes in black, brown, silver in terms of the bezel. They have a really cool blue one. Really fun. You could really style this up. You could dress it down. I really like the bottom as well. It's very comfortable, very lightweight. Yeah, really fun piece. For those that are more like artsy, like why not? Going on my honeymoon soon, so I may bring this along with us because I'm trying to be actually unplugged. I don't even want to know what my Apple Watch has to tell me, but this one will be great for all of that. So thank you to our friends over at Pascal for sponsoring this video. Definitely check out their Paradoxe collection along with a variety of their other lab-grown diamonds in multiple colors, dare I say. Colors of the rainbow. Use the code TOR15 for 15% off your first order and share with a friend. So please like, comment, subscribe. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all next time. Bye, guys.